In this video, I want to show you guys the different types of inserts that you can put into the faceplates. So at its core, we have the two different variants. This is a WFC 4x2 and this is a 4x4. Let's use the WFC 4x4. So we can use something like this. This is the SWO/O. There's also an SWO/10. There's a 2-sat variant and a 1-sat variant. Please note that these ones have got a built-in diplexer. So if you're combining terrestrial and satellite in the head end, it will be diplexed out here and run to the appropriate port. You see we've got a radio port, a TV port, and a sat port. There are other types of inserts. Here's the audio, so 3.5mm audio jack. Now you see it looks a bit different, so we have to use this adapter plate to plug it in there, just like that. There's also an RCA audio here for coaxial audio. And again, it goes into the adapter plate. Here we have a speaker combination, so you can use this when connecting up audio speakers. You'll need two. Comes with black and red on the outer marker there. And again, the adapter. And then there's also a blank adapter as well. We have another RCA one like this. You can see it's got red, white, and yellow for audio and video. And it's got an F barrel on the end for running the connector through to an RCA feed. We've also got a USB one here, so you can have a USB extension. Imagine like an office block or something, or a boardroom. You can use this here with something. There is an HDMI version of this. I didn't have it available at the time, so it looks almost identical to this, just the HDMI output, and it has an HDMI female. It's like an adapter cable. Here's a blank. So you can have different multiples and just put a blank in it to make it look nice and neat. Say in a boardroom where you want to connect up to a projector or plug it into a computer or something along those lines. There are fiber variants of the WPI. Here's the SC/APC, and what's quite nice is, if you look, if it goes in, connect it up for you, it's not straight out, it's actually at an angle. That way it doesn't put strain on the connector. It can come in quite nicely down the loop. Just put a bit of a coil and then clip it in so that it doesn't put any strain on the connector plugging into this mid coupler. There's also an LC/APC variant of it, as well as an FCPC. You can see they're all angled upwards so that they don't put strain on the connector and cause any additional loss through a tight bend. There are F inserts as well. Here we have a single F connector, a single barrel, a twin barrel, and we have one with 3 barrels on it that all take an F connector both back and front. So there are many different options. You can use them and customize them for exactly what you need. Let's say that you're doing a data network. You can take your LC fiber connector to run through to your CPE. If you got your coax DSTV feed, if you're running a hybrid system, and I can put my blank in between it, and that's exactly what the subscriber is going to see on his wall. It's nice, it's neat, it's got a very small form factor. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.